All right. Box number 7. I forgot to record the randomization, but you guys trust me, right? I got 10 people watching, keeping me honest. Here's the results. Cool. Box number 7. Yeah, I know. It's not the best looking 7, but hey. Alright, Big Blue pulled the 10 to hell last time. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to a card show next Saturday. I haven't been to one of them suckers in a long time. And like, I'm a huge, I troll eBay all the time. And I go and I'll be like, yo, come on. This card goes for $10 on eBay and you're trying to sell it for 20. Go buy it on eBay. Go buy it on eBay. Hey man, you don't gotta be a jerk about it. Just give me a decent price. Eli, Greg, Kendall Wright for the Titans at a $9.99. Mojo and Turner. Miller, Woodson, Marvin Jones for the Bengals, 302 at a $9.99. Sproles and Hester. Blount, Bush, Jackson, Rappersberger, Healer. McGahee, Lynch. I thought that was. You got Green Ellis and Williams. Grab a filler. Wide receiver for the Browns, Travis Benjamin, 14 at a 199 for the Browns. Ben J. Dude, I thought that was Trent Richardson. I was about to laugh my ass off, man. Is he now? Charles, Roddy White, B.J. Coleman, hard hats, and that is 383 out of 399. Palmer Witten. Gonna be a Browns top box. Fred Jackson, Burris, Devin Still, 685 at a 999. True rookie. Murray and Smith. Beware, Castle. Raymond Rice, Wayne, Wells. I'm trying to put the set together for like a long time now of Panini Limited 2011. I need like 40 more cards. It's crazy, but it's hard to get. And some guy actually had like 14 of the cards I needed, and he was like $60. I'm like, dude, they're base cards. He's like, yeah, boy, that's how much they're costing in Beckett. I'm like, dude, Victor Cruz, McCoy, Curtis Lofton for the Falcons at a $9.99. I'm like, dude, it's base. Welker, Jackson. Matthews, poor guy. Rogers, Hasselbeck, Johnson, Washington. Box 8, you guys. Load it up. Jared Allen, Fitzpatrick, Ryan Broly's, 250 at a 7.99. True rookie. Royals, Ponder, Johnson. Colson, Dalton, Palomalu, Gore, Manning. Megatron, Bradford, Baldwin, Corn on the Cob, Breeze. Revis, Hillis. Another Ryan Broly. And that's 7 out of 15 for the Lions. Who has Lions? Andrew Way. Cutler, Foster. Sanchez, Laronitis, Bo. And Bernard Pierce. McFadden and Tony Romo. This year's Jordan Todman for the Ravens. For the Ravens, Andrew A. 343 out of 399. Hey, you never know, you know? You never know. So we're 2 hits down, and we're still on the hunt for 2 more hits. Ray Lewis, bent corner as base. Jacobs. Victor Cruz for the Giants, prime numbers at a 999. Filler, Willis, Schaub. AJ Green, Rivers. Gold, Isaiah Pede. It's going to be at a 149. It's 143 at a 149. Fitzgerald, Urlacher. Matthews, Freeman. Mark Barron for the Bucks, 782 at a 999. True rookie. Filler, McCoy, and Tebow. Okay. So we need 2 more hits, and we got 3 thin packs left. So we're getting 2 more autographs out of here. Chris Johnson, Peterson, and for the 49ers, AJ Jenkins. Pretty sweet. And that's 48 out of 99. AJ Jenkins, 49ers, man. Ben J. Dude, you're on fire, man. Why'd you ever leave my website for a little bit? Very nice AJ Jenkins, man. Newton and Seymour. Training, man. You bring out the hits in the box. I tell you. 2 packs left. 1 autograph to go. And the case that Andrew A. opened up for me, he had 3 fillers in 1 pack with the cards. So, like, imagine having a pack that thick. You know, it's monstrous. Gates, Jennings, Greg Jennings, 999 Elite Series, Arakpo, and Brady. There you go. This is a Trent Richardson autograph in here. I'm keeping all these cards because you're like a warlock or something, man. Oh, it's a die cut. It's a die cut, man. It's got to be autographed, right? Only got 3 hits. Otherwise, I'm going to sue Panini. Marshall, Flacco, Gabbard, Jackson. And I think it's going to be an autograph, and it's upside down. Not bad. Orson Charles for the Bengals, 5 out of 49. Bengals belong to Andrew A. This little die cut. That was a solid box. Solid box with that AJ Jenkins. Alright, well, you guys, box 8 is posted.